Turvy and Timmy! I'm locked outside all the doors and windows of my house. What do I do? All my animal friends are inside there. Could you help me open up the locks of these doors and windows and save the animal friends? Sure. Thank you so much. Timmy, can you help me count all these numbers?
Yes.
Okay, let's start. What number is this?
1,
What number is this?
2,
What number is this?
3,
What about this one?
4,
What about this one?
5,
And this one?
6.
Congratulations! You told me all the numbers correctly. Turvy, can you tell me the colors of these doors and windows? Sure. What color is this bedroom window? That color is purple. That's correct. What about this office window? That color is blue. What about this one? That color is yellow. And this one? That color is red. What about this door? The color of that door is green. And the last one? That color is orange. Congratulations! You've got them all correct. Let's begin our journey on saving my animal friends. Timmy, what shape is this?
It's a triangle.
You're correct. Since you told me the correct answer, Timmy, I'm going to open this lock, which is the suitcase lock. Let's pull the latch up and see which friend we have inside. It's one purple pony. Timmy, are you happy to see him?
Yes.
That's great. Now let's see if Turvy can open up the next lock. Now, Turvy, I have a question for you. What shape is this? That is the rectangle. You are correct. Just like before, we're going to open this lock. This is the clasp lock. Let's turn it around. Yay, it's open. Let's see who we have inside. How many blue dogs do we have, Turvy? We have 2 blue dogs. Yes, you are right. 1 and 2. I'm so happy to see them, and they look really happy as well. Now we're going to do the yellow doors with Timmy. Timmy, what shape is this?
It's a diamond.
You're correct. So now we're going to open this door. Are you all happy? Yes. Okay, we're going to open it like this. And who do we have here? There are 3 yellow cats. 1, 2, and 3. Are you happy to see them?
Yeah.
Turvy, I'm so excited for the 4th door. Let's begin. Okay, so what shape is this? That is an oval. You're correct. This means we can open the barrel bolt lock. Are you guys ready? Yes. That's amazing. Let's open it. We have 4 red rabbits. And rabbits say, squeak, 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 squeak. These rabbits look really happy as well. And so are we. Now, Timmy, we're going to do this door. What shape is this?
It's a circle.
You're correct. Let's open the chain lock now. Are you all ready?
Yes.
That's great. Just slide it and... Yay! I opened it! Let's see who's inside. There are 5 green frogs. Ribbit, 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 ribbit. They all look so happy to see us all. We're happy to see you too, green frogs. Now, Turvy, we're on the very last door. And make sure you get this correct. Otherwise, everybody else will get locked up as well. So tell me, what shape is this? That is a square. That's correct. This means that everybody's safe. Let's open the latch lock. Are you all happy? Yes.
Yes.
Let's open it up. There are 6 orange fishes. What sound does a fish make? Gulp, gulp. These fishes are all smiling because they're happy, just like us. There's so many fish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. I hope you all had lots of fun with us, helping my animal friends and unlocking these different types of locks. Make sure to like, share this video with your friends, and click on the subscribe button. Hey! Woof woof.
Meow, meow, meow.
Squeak, squeak, squeak. Ribbit, ribbit.